Ethereum costs certainly equivalent to $1,998.37 a coin in a significant manner. The present exchange cost range, $1,901.41 to $2,009.43, which especially is very huge. The earlier day close, $1,918.78, which basically is genuinely huge. The change explicitly was plus 79.59, plus 4.15% in a sort of significant way. Converse rate, USD to ETH, so the earlier day close, 1,918.78, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, April 14, cost $1946, kind of most extreme 2082, in every way that really matters, least 1810 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum figure on Monday, April 17, cost $1926, fundamentally most extreme 2061, exceptionally least 1791 in a sort of large manner. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost $1979, extremely greatest 2118, especially least 1840, which in every practical sense is very critical. Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, April 19, cost $1990, by and large most extreme 2129, really least 1851 in an especially huge way. In multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost $1974, sort of most extreme 2112, least 1836 in a quite enormous way. Ethereum estimate on Friday, April 21, cost $1965, all things considered, greatest 2103, really least 1827, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost $1927, sort of most extreme 2062, especially least 1792, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, April 25, cost $1966, most extreme 2104, in every way that really matters, least 1828 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost $2049, in every practical sense, most extreme 2192, truly least 1906 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14 days Ethereum estimate on Thursday, April 27, cost $2049, extremely greatest 2192, essentially least 1906 in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost $2019, fundamentally most extreme 2160, essentially least 1878, showing how the earlier day close, 1918.78 amazingly. Ethereum figure on Monday, May 1, cost $2018, truly most extreme 2159, by and large least 1877, which sort of is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost $2050, kind of most extreme 2194, least 1907, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, May 3, cost $2051, most extreme 2195, exceptionally least 1907, showing how today's exchange cost range, $1,901.41 to $2,009.43 in a by and large enormous manner. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost $2074, greatest 2219, sort of least 1929 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum figure on Friday, May 5, cost $2143, truly most extreme 2293, especially least 1993, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost $2071, really greatest 2216, least 1926. Further appearance how the earlier day close, 1918.78, or so they essentially thought. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, May 9, cost $2109, most extreme 2257, sort of least 1961, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $2100, genuinely greatest 2247, certainly least 1953 in an unpretentious way. In about a month Ethereum figure on Thursday, May 11, cost $2024, truly greatest 2166, in every practical sense, least 1882, which is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost $2115, fundamentally greatest 2263, really least 1967 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum figure on Monday, May 15, cost $2035, most certainly greatest 2177, most certainly least 1893, which really is very critical. USD to ETH conversion standard sort of equivalent to 0.5004 coins per $1,000 in an extremely enormous manner. Today, S reach 0.4977 minus 0.5259 in an unobtrusive way. The past day, S nearby 0.5212, so Ethereum conjecture on Monday, April 17, cost $19.26, essentially greatest 2061, lovely least 1791, or so they fundamentally thought. Change for now 0.0208. 3.99%, which shows that Ethereum figure on Wednesday, May 3, cost $20.51, truly greatest 21.95. By and large least 1907, showing how today, S exchange cost range 1,901.41 2009.43, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. USD to ETH cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Friday, April 14, cost 0.514 coins, extremely greatest 0.552, most certainly least 0.480 in a by and large significant manner. USD to ETH forecast on Monday, April 17, cost 0.519 coins, truly greatest 0.558, truly least 0.485, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Tuesday, April 18, cost 0.505 coins, by and large greatest 0.543, really least 0.472, which generally is very huge. USD to ETH forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost 0.503 coins, kind of most extreme 0.540, especially least 0.470, which shows that Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost $20.19. By and large greatest 2160, truly least 1878, showing how the earlier day close 1918.78 in a significant way. And multi-week dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, April 20, cost 0.507 coins, sort of most extreme 0.545, exceptionally least 0.473, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to ETH expectation on Friday, April 21, cost 0.509 coins, kind of most extreme 0.547, lovely least 0.476, kind of additional appearance how Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, April 19, cost $19.90, sort of greatest 21.29, in every practical sense, least 18.51, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Monday, April 24, cost 0.519 coins, truly most extreme 0.558, especially least 0.485, exhibiting how Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, April 28, cost $20.19, genuinely greatest 2160, exceptionally least 1878, showing how the earlier day close 1918.78 in a huge way. USD to ETH expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost 0.509 coins, truly most extreme 0.547, lovely least 0.475 in a fundamentally huge way. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, April 26, cost